your Storm Team 55 forecast on Fox 55 News.
Sometimes you just got to love where you live. If you were about 200 miles or so further south, you'd still be in that hot, sticky mess with severe thunderstorms. But the cold front dropping temperature is a good 5, 10, even 12 degrees from where we were yesterday. The front's been slowly moving southward, so it takes a while for that north wind to kick in and give us a good dose of some drier air. But everyone will get in on the action. Talk about action, here's where it is. The front that moved through the area is now down to the south, and it meanders around the whole region here. This frontal system is a stationary front, and as it starts to lift northward, it's going to start to bring us more activity in the days ahead, and that means a weekend washout. So as we look at the forecast for possible flash flooding, yes, starting Saturday, that front lifts into our area, all the way areas to the east coast, up to areas of the upper Midwest. We're going to see a chance of some flash flooding. On a closer inspection, we're in the dry area. You can see thicker cloud cover down to the south. Right now, we're looking at a mix of clouds, and we'll have a mix of clouds and sun in the forecast. But here it comes. It's lifting northward. There's the first wave into Saturday. Widespread thunderstorms, too. We do have a threat that some of these storms could produce some damaging winds. I wouldn't be surprised even one thunderstorm or two drops some small hail. But again, it stays with us into Saturday and then lingers around. So again, as mentioned, the last 7 days we haven't had much. And unfortunately, the drought that was issued today, the drought monitor every Thursday, this is getting worse. It's deteriorating. Even with that light amount of rain in the last 7 days, we're going to need possibly heavy rain event after heavy rain event for possibly weeks, because once you get to that part of a situation, it can deteriorate quickly, and we don't want that, of course, for the gardens, the lawns, for the farmers. Temperature-wise, though, look at our high temperatures. 83 Fort Wayne, you get up to the north, there's some upper 70s. Closer inspection, when you factor in the humidity tomorrow, we're looking at temperatures about 85 in Fort Wayne. Columbia City, 85 degrees, 91 in Decatur. So, again, it's going to vary throughout the region. One thing for sure, next week, Mother Nature is setting up a heat dome just to our south, and it's going to build. It's going to be a real first dangerous heat dome of our summer. And as it moves into the region, we could have heat index values next week that exceed 103 degrees. Again, the hourly forecast shows cloudy skies and a nice dip into the mid-60s. But when you look at the forecast, and here it is for the next 7 days, there's that frontal system lifting over the area for Saturday and Sunday. Again, the biggest threat Saturday, the heaviest rainfall could have the ponding of water, poor drainage spots, the thunderstorm activity with another system sliding along the front for Tuesday into Wednesday and to Thursday. Now, Thursday's high is 93 degrees. It gets worse Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of next week. It is possible some heat advisories could be issued for the area. I wouldn't be surprised at all with heat index values over 100.